Hey, I'm 𝐁𝐸𝐻𝐿, a realtor and investor here in Central Florida, and today I am excited to present to you this beautiful home located at 9300 1 Agate Street, Port Charlotte, FL 339813833. This stunning property features 12 spacious bedrooms, 8 modern bathrooms, and over insert square footage of living space, perfect for anyone looking for comfort, convenience, and style. As we step inside, you'll immediately notice the open floor plan, perfect for family gatherings and entertaining guests. The living area is bright and airy, with large windows that let in tons of natural light. Adjacent to the kitchen is this inviting dining area, perfect for meals with a family or hosting dinner parties. It's spacious enough to accommodate a large table and has a great flow for entertaining. Outside, you'll love the spacious backyard, ideal for enjoying the Florida sunshine. Whether you want to build a pool, host BBQs, or just relax, this outdoor space has endless possibilities. This home is not only beautiful, but also conveniently located in Punta Gorda, offering easy access to shopping, dining, and outdoor activities, making it the perfect place to call home. Thank you for taking a tour with me today. If you'd like more information or to schedule a showing, don't hesitate to reach out. I'd be happy to help you make this stunning property yours. I'm 𝐁𝐸𝐻𝐿, and I look forward to working with you.